Who among the following can nominate one member of the Anglo-Indian community to the Legislative Assembly? Answer is option B, Governor of the state. Friends, the governor can nominate one member from the Anglo-Indian community if not adequately represented in the Legislative Assembly according to Article 333. According to Article 331, President can nominate two members of the Anglo-Indian community to the Lok Sabha. Two seats in the Lok Sabha were reserved for members of the Anglo-Indian minority between 1952 and 2020. The 104th Constitutional Amendment Act 2019 abolished the Anglo-Indian reserved seats in India's parliament and state legislatures in January 2020. Jhika Dasain, a famous tribal dance of India, is predominantly performed by which of the following tribal groups? Answer is option D, Santhal. Friends, if you understand in detail, Jhika Dasain is an Indian folk dance from Jharkhand. The Jhika Dasain is a form of worshipping dance practiced by the Santhal tribe to train young men of the community the art of acquiring spiritual powers and dispelling the influence of evil spirits. Which one of the following is not a non-conventional energy source? Answer is option D, coal. In the context of India, tropical cyclones originate over the blank. Answer is option C, Bay of Bengal. Who wrote Prayag Prasasti? Answer is option A, Harisena. Friends, Harisena was a 4th century Sanskrit poet. He was an important figure in the court of the Gupta Emperor Samudragupta. His most famous poem, written in 345 CE, describes the bravery of Samudragupta and is inscribed on the Prayag Prasasti inscription. Prayag is an ancient name of Allahabad. Prayag Prasasti is a name given of the Allahabad pillar. It is an Ashokan Stambh and has 4 different inscriptions. The part 7 of the Indian Constitution has been omitted. It is related with which of the following? Answer is option B, states in part B of the first schedule. Friends, if we understand in detail, out of the 22 parts of the Indian Constitution that originally existed during its formation, the only part which has been deleted is part 7. It was repealed by the Constitution 7th Amendment Act 1956. It dealt with the Part B states in the Indian Union. The Part B states were Hyderabad, Jammu and Kashmir, Madhya Bharat, Mysore, Patiala, East Punjab States Union, Rajasthan, Saurashtra and Travancore, Cochin. Pune Seva Sadan was established by G.K. Devdhar and Ramabai Ranade in. Answer is option D, 1909. Friends, Pune Seva Sadan was started by G.K. Devdhar 1909. Its main objective was to promote the welfare of women. Which of the following comes under 5th schedule of the Indian Constitution? Answer is option A, provisions related to scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. Friends, if we understand in detail, the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes are addressed in the 5th schedule. Article 244A is directly related to Schedule 5. 10 states currently have 5th schedule areas like Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Rajasthan and Telangana. Which is the highest Indian peak entirely located in India? Answer is option A, Nanda Devi. Friends, let's know about Nanda Devi. Height of Nanda Devi is 7,816 meter. It is located in Uttarakhand. It is the second highest mountain in India. It is the highest peak entirely within the country. 23rd highest peak in the world. Under which article of the Indian Constitution is the Prime Minister the head of the Council of Ministers? Answer is option C, Article 74. Friends, Article 74A states that there shall be a Council of Ministers with the Prime Minister at the head to aid and advise the President, who shall, in the exercise of his functions, act in accordance with such advice. Therefore, Article 74 establishes the Council of Ministers with the Prime Minister as its head. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? Answer is option D, B.N. Rao. Lothian Island Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which of the following states? Answer is option B, West Bengal. Friends, if we understand in detail, Lothian Island Bird Sanctuary is one of the 3 wildlife sanctuaries inside Sundarban Biosphere Reserve. This sanctuary is situated in South 24 Parganas district, West Bengal. This bird sanctuary is spread over an area of 38 square kilometers on the island and surrounded by river Saptamukhi. The plastids that do not have any color and used to store food is? Answer is option B, leucoplast. Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer, came to India in? Answer is option A, 1498. Friends, if we understand in detail, Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese explorer and the first European to reach India by sea. His initial voyage to India by way of the Cape of Good Hope was the first to link Europe and Asia by an ocean route connecting the Atlantic and the Indian Oceans. On May 17, 1498, Vasco da Gama discovered a new sea route between India and Europe by reaching the port of Calicut on the west coast of India. On this journey, Vasco da Gama was supported by Gujarati traveler Abdul Manind. At that time, Zamorin was the king of Calicut. The device used for converting mechanical energy into electrical energy is called a? Answer is option C, dynamo. Tomato is a natural source of which acid? Answer is option C, oxalic acid. Kumudini Lakhia, the founder of Kadam School of Dance and Music, is a blank dancer. Answer is option D, Kathak. Friends, Kudumini Lakhia is an Indian Kathak dancer and choreographer based in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. She founded Kadam School of Dance and Music and Institute of Indian Dance Music in 1967. Which festival is celebrated on the last day of the holy month of Ramadan? Answer is option B, Eid ul Fitr. In the context of temple architecture, the most important part of the temple is? Answer is option A, Garbhagriha. Who among the following did not participate in the 1857 revolt against the British? Answer is option C, Tipu Sultan. Friends, if you understand in detail, Tipu Sultan was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore. Tipu Sultan was born on 1st December 1751 in Devanhalli, which is located in present-day Bangalore, Karnataka. Tipu Sultan succeeded his father Hyder Ali as the ruler of Mysore. He introduced a calendar and a new coinage system. Administrative innovations were introduced during his rule. Tipu signed a peace treaty with the British in 1784.